I initially got into the drone industry through my time with the Army, and by chance I found out about drone racing as an activity.
My career started actually out in IT, and then I was using drones as a hobby. A company that I worked for had a leak on the roof, and I suggested maybe I could take some photos of the roof to find where the leak was. And that was my aha moment. And I left my career in IT to go and pursue a career in drones.
I grew up in a town in France, which is the home of the Air Force Academy. So when I grew up, I was constantly seeing planes above my head. I knew from very young I wanted to do something about planes and understand how they can do all these crazy maneuvers.
I think the type of person who thrives in the drone industry is a problem solver. Someone who sees a challenge and likes to methodically solve it.
If you are someone at school and you're not very academic, maybe you're like me, you suffer with dyslexia, it can put you off on where you think you can achieve. But actually, if you just take small steps, you can achieve that goal. Whether you're interested in photography, in imaging, if you're technology minded, if you're great on the Xbox and the PlayStation, there's a perfect role for you as a pilot.
What I find exciting about the drone industry, it's the potential it has to really transform our lives. So to a young person who is thinking about going into the drone industry, I would say it's probably the best time right now.
I would definitely encourage the uptake of a mentor. And I think being able to have someone that can inspire you is really important.
Get out there and speak to people. Come to events like DroneX at the Excel Centre. There's lots of expertise out there, and I think it's just being confident enough to seek people out.
You have to take that risk and that leap of faith and have that belief in yourself. As long as you have that right mindset and focus, you can just go and do it.